Doesn't it sound interesting? Country chicken is so delicious than normal broiler chicken, and we are going to make 3 varieties with that.
3 recipes are made only with one secret delicious masala.
Here we have whole country chicken cut into 9 tiny pieces. This weighs approximately 1 kg and 250 grams or 200 grams, and it has all the pieces into it. I'll tell you how to split this and make 3 delicious dishes.
The secret masala to make country chicken feast is right over here.
It's just 3 ingredients: 5 red chilies, a tablespoon of cumin seeds, and half tablespoon of peppercorns. To a small kadai, I have added a teaspoon of sesame oil, and I am going to roast these secret masala ingredients. Let's start cooking the country chicken. We are going to cook 1 whole chicken in a pressure cooker and then make it into 3 varieties of dishes. I'm going to add 2 tablespoons of sesame oil.
When we consume the chicken, the body gets heated, so the sesame oil acts as a nice coolant.
Now the oil is being heated. I'm going to add half cup of chopped shallots.
Shallots make the dish more tastier than adding normal onions.
Once it turns translucent, add the country chicken pieces to it.
The country chicken is much healthier and delicious than your broiler chicken.
I'm going to add salt required for the chicken, and then we are going to add a nice amount of turmeric. I'm adding a teaspoon of turmeric here.
Turmeric has all antiseptic properties and is added in all Indian non-veg dishes.
And here I'm going to add finely crushed ginger.
Ginger helps in the digestion of the non-veg food.
Now cook it on high for 3 to 5 minutes, and the chicken starts oozing water. After 5 minutes, you can pressure cook by adding little more water. Now this masala has been grinded once roasted. We have ground this in Indian traditional mixer. It's an old gadget. We call it as ammi. It's a stone crushed one, and I'm going to add this ground masala paste. I'm going to just keep little amount of the paste.
Yeah, this is the secret masala behind this Indian dish.
We are going to make chicken rasam, so I'm leaving this masala. Now it's been 5 minutes. The chicken is oozing nice water, and the masala's flavor is getting into our nose. The aroma is filling the kitchen. We are going to add.
Then we're going to pressure cook it for 6 to 8 whistles.
While the chicken is getting cooked, we are going to start the preparation work for the chicken rasam. Have that leftover brown masala here, and then I've taken a tomato, some curry leaves.
I have 2 garlic cloves. I'm going to use my mortar utensil to crush it. And then I'm going to transfer that into this bowl.
Here I have tamarind pulp. I've taken a small lemon-sized pulp and I've soaked in water. I'm going to just add that tamarind water. I've used approximately a cup of water here, and then I'm going to add this masala.
And then I'm going to add in a teaspoon of Rasam powder.
I'm going to give it a nice brush with my hands. This flavor gets mixed when you brush with hands, so I'm going to do that now. This rasam can be consumed as a soup too, and you can feel very relieved during winter. I've taken a cup of water again in this tamarind pulp, and I'm going to add another cup of water to this crush. Now the pressure has been gone. I'm going to open the pressure cooker.
Wow, look at the smell.
Now the chicken has been very well cooked, and look at the color and the masala. I'm going to take the leg piece for the chops. You can even use the thigh piece too, but we have asked them to cut the leg piece for the chops. And then I'm going to dig in for the chicken liver for the rasam. Here we go. Here is the chicken liver. I'm going to take it separately for the rasam. Now I'm going to take a little of masala for the chops. So I'm going to take like in a bowl approximately like half cup of masala. Now I'm going to switch on the stove and start making the coconut milk curry. This feast is always cooked for the newly married couples in our hometown. It's so special. And then this gravy is being served for the morning times along with idli.
I like it with dosas too. I have 2 cups of thick coconut milk and I'm gonna add that in. Coconut milk just makes it really delicious and creamy.
Now look at the color change, and once it comes to a boil, simmer it for 5 minutes and the delicious gravy is going to be ready.
The coconut milk smells really good.
Don't overcook this, just cook for 5 minutes, that's it. Simultaneously, let's start making the chops curry. For the chops curry, again I'm going to add nice amount of sesame oil. You can add how much ever you prefer to. Look at the gravy, it's been boiling. Now I'm going to drizzle in pepper to this and finish off. This has been ready now. Now the oil is being heated for the chops. I have 1 cup of thin sliced shallots and a nice amount of curry leaves. I'm going to add that.
Now we have to saute this until it turns into a beautiful golden color.
While the onion is getting fried there, I am going to start the work for the rasam. I am going to add 2 teaspoons of sesame oil, 1/4 teaspoon of mustard seeds. Wait for the mustard seeds to splutter. I love this rasam, especially during winter time, it's so special. Some fenugreek seeds and a little amount of asafoetida. Now it's been spluttering. Now we have to add the rasam mix that we kept it ready.
That smoke when it came, it was so beautiful to look at.
Now, in the same bowl in which I have prepared rasam mix, I am going to add the chicken liver and then a salt that's required for the rasam. And then I am going to give it a nice crush. This is very important. This is going to add flavor for the rasam. So I crushed it very well.
Then I'm gonna add in a teaspoon of ginger garlic paste. Also, the onions have come into a nice golden color.
Saute it for a minute, like until this ginger garlic paste raw smell goes off. Once the raw smell goes off, take a tomato and puree it roughly. Like I'm going to add that to this.
Then I'm gonna add in 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric,
a teaspoon of coriander powder and 1/2 teaspoon of garam masala. I think we have to add a little water. Now I'm going to add like 1/4 cup of water to this.
Now I'm gonna add in the masala that we have taken previously from the cooked chicken. Gonna add that in.
Now I'm going to add the chicken.
Chicken legs.
Yeah. And then some water and cover it and cook. Like 7 minutes will be nice, so that the masala goes very well into the chicken and then the chops curry is very yummy. the right time to switch off the rasam and then immediately transfer to this bowl. And then garnish with nice amount of cilantro. The chicken rasam is ready. It tastes delicious. Look at the beauty. It's nice and restaurant style. Look at the chops, color.
Ta-da!
Country chicken feast is ready.
Yeah, the smell itself is so tempting.
We have country chicken chops, chicken rasam and the country chicken coconut milk curry ready in easy and delicious way.
Yeah, the smell itself is so tempting and it was really quick.
And I'm just feeling hunger and my appetite is increasing. So I think you guys too will try this at your home.
Yeah, I can't wait to have it. So I really don't even want to say the outro, but we have to. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Don't forget to try this recipe at your home.
And leave the comments below.